Alright, welcome back. This is second practice video. We're going to be doing the long tones today and the lip slurs. We're gonna do all three just because I'm feeling confident. I feel like I'm gonna be able to do it. And then we are also going to do some scales today, and then the articulations. Alright, sick. Let's get started. Alright. One, two, actually, hang on. Let me just make sure. Oh, what is going on in the world? Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, let's just begin then. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start that again on a good clean start. 1, 2, 3. I was kind of sure how long that was. Anyways, second one. 1, 2, 3. Shoot, what is going on today? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Sick. Alright, this is number 3 now. 1, 2. Epic. I was just making sure it was the first one. Alright, number 4. 1, 2, 3. That's not right. 1, 2. Whew. And then this one, yes, is back to number 1, B flat. Alright. Oh, wait, no, I didn't do F yet. Sorry. Not yet. Number 5, F. 1, 2. Running out of air. Alright, and then the last one is back to B flat at the bottom of the scale. I think I have something in my nose. 1, 2. Alright, epic. Now we're going to work on the lip slurs. However, I feel like that we're not gonna only do the second column. We're gonna do columns 1 and 2, and then if I'm feeling it afterwards, we'll try column 3. Cause it's not that bad. Like, come on, it's fine. All right. So starting B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. shaking. That was weird. Oh, that was really strange. Okay. Sick. Moving on. What was that? G sharp? Yeah, okay. So now we're on G. 1, 2. Wait. I think I did those out of order. It's fine. You know what? We did it. That's all that matters. Alright. 1. Last one. E. 1, 2. I feel like I can do the third one for these, especially the low ones, but I don't. We'll move on for now. Okay, so the next thing is the scales. Okay, so I can look at my timer here. That's going at 60 beats per minute. I'm sorry that you cannot hear it, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be looking at that to help me with my beats. Yeah, okay. So there's something right now. Sorry. All right, cool. Here's the B flat scale. 1, 2, 3. Let's just make sure. 1, 2. Hold on, I'm not going into tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh wait, dang it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do it again because that was awful. Yeah, we'll do that again. All right. 1, 2, 3. That was 1,000 times better. All right, now we're gonna do the A flat scale. My wrist and hand hurt really bad. Not gonna lie. That's okay, because it's all in the name of the music. All right, A flat is. All right. 1, 2. was a lot better than the first one. Alright, now we'll do the C scale. 1, 2. One, two. One, two. Oh, what? I thought that was. Wait a minute. I thought that. Yeah, what? Alright, well, I'm gonna need to go over that one more, but here is the chromatic scale. I'm starting from B flat and going to the B flat, the above octave B flat, and then going back down to B flat. So. One, two. That's that. And now we're gonna work on some articulatings for like a minute. Alright. Oh, this is difficult. Sick. Alright. I'll see you next time.